Hi, thanks so much for being here. Welcome back. So today I'm going to do a quick flip through of my pre-setup, or sort of the setup to start using this planner. I had chosen the the Wonderland 222 as my one and only planner for 2024, and I went ahead and set up a few things to get started now in December. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of show it to you. So if you're up for it, I hope you stick around. So here's my cover. I'm thinking I'm going to stick with this one for a while. I just chose to use a clear cover so I can move around stickers and stuff. I already added some more yesterday, and the idea is to switch them as we go. So as we travel different places and we collect different stickers, I will move these ones towards the back and then start adding new ones on the front. So that's the plan there. I went in and added a clear pocket in here. I have this one for a while. I got them at I want to think it's the dollar spot in Target, and they've been here with me for a while. I think this is the last one I had, so I have to go and find me some more. I got this stickers the other day when I went to planner shop, sort of, or planning decor shop at the local craft stores. I got the like a happy planner. No, actually, no. This is called the Paper Studio Agenda 52, and it is just a book of different stickers for planning and stuff. I just wanted to have something cute to add to different spreads. I'm not necessarily a sticker person for planning, but I want to give it a try, so why not? And then in here in front, I set up my key. So I chose this left side to use my as my key. So for color dotting or indexing, I guess, I wanted to continue the same system that I have been using in my commonplace notebook. So I just went ahead and added the colors that I've been using and what I use them for. And then the same thing for my keys. I don't necessarily need this to remind me or anything, but I just had the space, so why not? I did white it out whatever we had in here. I believe it says key actually, and then on here it said index, because I believe you have 3 pages of indexing, but I chose to use this too just for my keys, and then this one as my inbox. So I just keep like sticky notes and stuff like that to just have them handy. And then the next 2 pages I did keep them as index, but I did divide them halfway. That way I can just index on have 4 areas, I guess, for indexing. So I went in and added a title there, so it just says page. So I will add the page number in here and a short description of whatever it is on that page that I want to refer back to at some point, probably. If I add it to the indexes because I want to have it handy. And then we have the 4-year overview. I'm not sure exactly how to use this one yet, besides just referencing and maybe planning ahead for vacations and stuff like that. But other than that, there's nothing like a preset or setup that I have to do there. I did decide to use this one as my days of the month tracking, and I'm also going to be tracking my mood. So maybe I can just compare what's happening, and if the supplements that I'm taking are helping with all of that stuff, girl stuff, you know. And then we have the calendar, the little quarter calendars in here that I chose to use as my social media or content planning. So all the social media posts and videos for my YouTube channel and anything that has to do with social media and content will be planned on these little calendars. So that's what I have there. There's no really a preset up in here. I just have a sticky note here to remind me, and I've been using this removable tabs. I will link them below. They're also on my Amazon shop for 2024 essentials. So yeah, that I've been using this ones for a while. I still have a few left, so I just cut them a little smaller to add some more. And yeah. And then I can move them around if I have to. For this one, since it is content, what I'll do is, for example, in here, I will start planning on this 3 months, and then when I'm ready to move to the next quarter, I will just go ahead and move the tab to the next quarter. That way I can get to it faster. Then we get to the trackers. Same thing. I have a tracker tab in here. I'm thinking about adding like a cover here just for the look of it, but I'm not sure just yet. So I haven't done anything other than just adding some items that I will like to track, and then the tab. I also added like a sticky note with reminders of other things that I want to track in here, probably. But I do want to wait until we start the month and see what I feel like I want to add and go from there. And then the tab again is the removable tab. So once I'm done with December, this is December tracking, I will move it to the next one. Then we get to the goals section, and what I did in here, so all of these are trackers. What I did in here is, since we are starting the planner in December, I went in and added a little pocket in here, like a DIY pocket, and the idea is to just add receipts and anything that we have to maybe keep track of on the month of December. Since we are in the holiday season, we have like gifts and stuff like that that we want to track, or packages and things like that, or anything that has to do with that, it will go in here. And then just pretty simple, I just folded the page and just created a little pocket there to hold things so they don't slide out of the planner. And then if I decide to take it out once we're done with the month, I can go ahead and do that because it's only holding into place with a washi, so I can just remove it or move it around if I have to. Then we have the monthly overview. Here's just some notes of what I want to track in here in this goals section. So the same thing will happen in here with this tab. I will have it on the current month. So for example, we're starting in December. This one is in December, but when we get to January, I will go ahead and move the goals tab to the January goals tab. Same thing will happen with the monthlies and weekly tabs. So I will move it to the current month I'm working on and the weekly as well. That way I don't have like way too many tabs on the side. I just like it. I mean, I do have a few tabs in here already, but these are just dividing sections, and these are the ones that I will move with me constantly. So that's the monthly there, and then it will take me to the week, the current week that we are going to be at. Nothing in here just yet, just reminders of things that I want to make sure that I have on my weeklies. And then we have, I did add it in another pocket in here for January, no, actually for February, since we're going to be traveling overseas. I wanted to go ahead and save like receipts or tickets or boarding passes, anything that we have to that has to do with that specific month and traveling and stuff like that will go in this pocket. And then, so same system in here, just a cardstock paper that I got at the craft store, and just chose red because it goes with February, and I created a pocket there. And then after that we get to the dailies. So these are monthlies, all of these are monthlies and weeklies. Then we get to the dailies, and I wanted to add like a cover page for that section. It doesn't really do anything, only it just divides the section. I do want to switch the washi tape, but I didn't have anything to go with this one. This is more of a golden sort of, so I might switch it eventually, or might not, I don't know. I just wanted to have something there. So again, same thing with the tab. I have the today tab, so that will move with me to dailies. Nothing else in here but the back section, and then the back section, which I still have to choose or fix, I guess. I did tipped in my the 365 tracking that I had left on my cousin, or that came with my cousin for this year, the 2023, but I didn't get to use it, so I'm planning on using it for 2024. And I know that we'll be missing one day, but it's fine. I just wanted to use it for tracking for workouts, so we'll see how that goes. And then the same thing with this page for words to remember. I think I want to use it as a memory, one memory to keep from each month. So I think it'll be kind of fun to look at the doodles for each month. I just wanted to give it some use, so I tipped it in here. I do have to kind of fix it because it's not tipped right, but I wanted to make sure it was here. And then it gets me to my bills section, which I have pre-set up already. I have my finance trackings, meaning like the main bigger monthly bills that we have, and then I will go ahead and add the amounts on the side. And then it starts with December on the side. I have an area for notes down here, but it starts on December of this year, 2023, because we're moving in here on December. So I went in and added the items that come out of the account that are big items, like that come out every single month, or subscriptions. And I will add the amount. And same thing with the next month. So this is December, January, February. It goes like that all the way to December 2024. And then I still have an area right here where I can add notes or updates to bills or accounts and stuff like that. Now, the other thing that I wanted to do, it's before I move on, it's I wanted to divide it this way. That way I can go like this, and I can see the notes that I have here, like the main bills, and if I have anything that's canceled or whatever, I just have reminders. And same thing with notes. If I have anything to refer back to, I can just go like this and refer to the month that I'm working on. It's just a little extra setup, I guess, for making it a little bit easier, I guess. And then and it takes me towards the back pages. I decided to use this one as an ink testing page. Both sides will be for inking, mainly for fountain pen ink. So I'm still kind of new to it, so I don't have any inks to test just yet, but hopefully I will start gathering more throughout the year and come over here and do some swatches, and I think that'll look pretty. And then in the back here, as always, I'll do my pen testing, marker testing, and I do my measurements for like how many square grids are towards the right, and you know, I'll just for measurings, for when I'm doing layouts and stuff like that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So it takes me towards the end of the planner. So far, I think I am ready to move in. I do have to, again, fix that page back there, but other than that, I think it's a good start. And everything that I said mostly is removable, or it gives me the ability to switch it and update it as I go. And if I don't like anything, I can remove it or replace it with something else. So that was one thing that I wanted to keep in mind. Just try to do everything as much as possible that it was removable. That way I don't feel like it's stuck and I have no other choice. So yeah, I hope that this video helps you in some way. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.